Hey, I'm Eric Leija, or you might know me as the Primal Soldier on social media. I'm also an Onnit certified coach. And today I'm gonna show you some of my favorite mobility exercises that you can use before your next upper chest workout. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more. All right, let's get to it. Targeting your upper chest puts a lot of pressure on your shoulders, upper back, and elbows. So today I'm gonna show you some of my favorite moves to help keep those areas mobile and strong. I want you to hit every one of these moves for 2 to 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps each, depending on how you're feeling. If you're feeling nice and juicy after 2, go ahead and hit your workout. If you need a little bit extra time to warm up, hit 3 sets. All right, for our first movement, we have our shoulder drops. On this one, we're gonna go wide base with the hands. From here, I'm gonna focus on doing all the reps on one side before switching sides. We'll go 10 to 15 each side. I want you to go here. I want you to think about extending one arm and dropping your shoulder as low as you can to the floor, getting a nice deep stretch in the pecs, all through the arm, up into the shoulders. And notice how I'm gonna try to bring my nose down to my opposite knuckles, all right? I'm not gonna come down to the floor like this. I wanna bring that nose up. That way, I can keep all that musculature in the shoulders depressed to really open up the pecs. All right, so I depress that shoulder, nose to knuckles. Come back to center and stretch. Shoulder drops. We'll go here for 10 to 15 reps each side. I like to inhale at the top, exhale, do the effort. Remember, bring that nose down to that hand. Try not to shrug the shoulder. I really try to keep that depressed. For our second move, similar to our shoulder drops, we're gonna dig into those pecs, but this time we're gonna do a scorpion variation. You've probably seen people do scorpions before. We go here, right? Nice and easy, open up the hips. But now we're gonna get even more emphasis on opening up the pecs by, instead of going arms out horizontal and straight, you're gonna bend the targeted shoulder and arm at 90 degrees, all right? This is gonna decrease your range of motion, so make sure you don't do it like a traditional scorpion and just whip your leg over, all right? Take your time and find the range that feels comfortable for you, because it's gonna be a really deeper stretch. So I'm gonna bend this elbow 90 degrees. I'm gonna use this hand to gauge how much weight I apply, how much pressure. And I'm gonna take that opposite leg, I'm gonna bend that knee and step over only as far as I feel comfortable in that stretch, all right? You're gonna feel this get deep into those pecs, the shoulders. If you have the range of motion, go all the way over. You can also straighten out that leg to apply a little bit more pressure, but not too much, all right? Be honest with your range and be careful as you open up. On this one, we're going to go for 1 to 2 second pause or take a deep breath. We'll go about 10 to 15 reps here. Again, take your time on that one, get comfortable, find out where your range is at, because it's gonna be a lot more of a deeper stretch than your traditional scorpions. For our third move, we have our elbow circles, all right? I love this exercise. I want you to come down to the ground, bring your hands underneath your shoulders, all right? I want you to pin your wrist to the ground. From here, I'm going to think about bringing my elbow pits forward, all right? So think about screwing your hands into the ground, and then from here, I'm gonna drive and bend my elbows back towards my knees. I'm gonna circle out to the sides as far as I can, big circle, back to center, rotate those elbow pits forward. We'll circle 10 to 15 in this direction. If you're feeling good, feeling comfortable, you can also alternate. All right, elbow pits come in, out the other way, or we can alternate circles. All right, mix it up. Focus on really getting that flexion in the elbow, circling out, twisting the elbow pits forward and back. Shake out that tension, slow and smooth. sometimes you don't feel focused and alert in the gym, and your workout can suffer as a result. New Alpha Brain pre-workout was designed specifically for athletes and gym goers and supports focus, power, and endurance. It's the ultimate way to charge up your mind and body. Use coupon code GETONNIT to get 10% off Alpha Brain pre-workout at onnit.com. Now let's get back to the video. For our fourth movement, we have our thread the needle. All right, we're gonna stay down on all fours, but this time I'm gonna take one elbow, draw the elbow back towards the ceiling. From here, I'm gonna reach through underneath my opposite shoulder, stack both shoulders on the ground, and I'm gonna try to square my hips up. Think about trying to rip your arm out of its socket. I'm dragging the arm along the floor. Exhale. I like to switch sides on this one. I'll alternate. You can stay all on one side if you like, but I like to alternate personally. I inhale, exhale, stack, drag, open up that mid back and upper back, and then switch. Inhale, pitch the shoulder blades together, squeeze it back, and then spread it wide open. Get even deeper into that stretch by dragging it along the floor, and watch the hips. I square those hips up. Don't let those hips rotate. Inhale, exhale. We'll go 10 to 15 each side. For your fifth movement, you have your seal jacks, all right? This one's gonna open up the chest, light up that upper back. I want you to go hands together, feet together, and instead of like a normal jumping jack where we go overhead, we're gonna go horizontal out to the side as we open up. Quickly, as fast as possible. Really try to retract the shoulders, close, squeeze the pecs, clap the hands together, all right? Go 10 to 15 reps there as fast as possible. Thanks for watching. Again, if you like this content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. You can also follow me for more exercise tips at Primal Soldier on Instagram. All right, I'll see you guys later.